Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So from today I am going to start a new series of physics class 12. So this is going to be a very effective sessions for you all. I have taken a new initiative in which I will be solving all the unsolved numericals given in your class 12 NCERT physics book, both part A and B. So for the beginning we will be starting with part A. We will be going unit wise, like from the very first unit till the last 14th unit. So I have taken an initiative to help all those students, those who are somehow or rather facing the problem of not getting solutions to or the methods to solve the numericals in a best possible way and in the easiest way. So I have not solved any of the solved numericals. What I have done is I have tried to solve all the unsolved numericals given at the last of all the units. So I will be starting with unit 1 of NCERT physics part A, and then we will be continuing with all the units, and later we will be going to unit 2nd. In the same way we will be going to part B. So that this is going to be a great fun as well as a great learning to all the students, those who are seriously working for giving their board exams in the best possible way. So stay connected to this particular sessions. What I am going to do is I will be posting all the unsolved numericals, solutions to all the unsolved numericals in the playlist. So, and for any details related to channel or any query related to any unsolved numerical of your class 12 NCERT physics, you can mail me at gaganbansal12345@gmail.com. So let's start. As you know that in your class 12 physics, you have two parts, part 1 and part 2. So in part 1, you have 8 different chapters. In part 2, you have 6 different chapters. So content is given to you. The book is already with you. So what I am going to do is I am going to start with unit 1. I am going to start with unit 1, that is the electric charges and field. As you know that in your NCERT book, at the end of the exercise, at the end of the chapter, you have the exercise in which there are unsolved numericals, that is known as the unsolved exercise. So in unit 1, you have 24, like from 1.1 continuing, it has 24 unsolved questions in the exercise part, whereas you have additional exercise which is also unsolved, which has question from 1.25 to 1.34. That is, you have 10 unsolved questions in additional exercise and you have 24 unsolved questions in your exercise part of unit 1, that is electric charges and field. So my main initiative is to give you the solutions in the best possible manner and in the easiest way to solve all the questions related to your NCERT physics for class 12. So let's start. So let's get started. So this is your unit 1, lecture 1. All the questions related to the NCERT physics will be in the sequential order. So you can see the description as well as you can see the title of the videos that will help you to get the solutions based on your book. So let's get started. So numericals of unit 1 NCERT physics part A exercises of unit 1, that is a topic of electric charges and field. Okay, so I'm getting with the first question, that is question 1.1. It goes like this. What is the force between two small charged spheres having charges of 2 into 10 raised to the power 7 and 3 into 10 raised to the power 7 coulomb placed 30 centimeter apart in air? So for solution, we have certain easiest way to solve any kind of numerical. If you are getting through with like the easiest numerical, then you are going with tough, tougher and the toughest. So your approach should be the same always. What I say is, first of all, in every numerical, you should start with the given. So in this particular question, what is the force between two small charged spheres having charges of 2 into 10 raised to the power 7 coulomb and 3 into 10 raised to the power 7 coulomb placed 30 centimeter apart in air. So what is given is, given charge on the first sphere, how much? Let it be Q1, and it is equals to 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 coulomb, and it is a positive charge. Second, it is given that charge on the second sphere, that is Q2, how much it is? 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 coulomb. Yes, also it is given that the distance between the spheres, named as small r, how much it is? It is 30 centimeters. So in terms of meter, 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. So it is 30 upon 100, that is equals to 0.3 meter. So in the question it is given that the charge on the first sphere, that is Q1 is given, Q2 is given, and R is given. What we need to find is the static force between two small charged spheres, and these two are positive, as you can see here. So to calculate as force between two charges. So force between two charges, formula is electrostatic force between the sphere is given by the relation. You know the formula. So before start solving any of the numerical, my always suggestion to you people is, you should know all the formulas. So before starting solving the numerical, all you need to do is, in a piece of paper, write all the formulas related to the topics that you are going to solve. And while solving the numericals, first of all, you will write the given part, then the formula. So electrostatic force between the spheres is given by the formula F is equals to Q1 Q2 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square, where Q1 is the charge on the first sphere, Q2 is charge on the second sphere, 4 pi is constant, epsilon naught, what is this epsilon naught? It is the permissivity of the free space. Yes, and R is the distance between these spheres. Let me write it again for you. F is equals to Q1 Q2 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square. Okay, so Q1 is given to us, Q2 is given to us, 4 pi epsilon naught R square is given to us. Also, now we know that 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, it is a constant, and its value is how much? 9 into 10 raised to the power 9. Yes, Newton meter square per coulomb square. So it is a constant. So putting all these values in F, that is F is equals to Q1 Q2. Why I am writing the formula again and again? Just to make you cram all these things by heart. So formula for the electrostatic force is Q1 Q2 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square. So putting all these values, Q1 is how much? 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 into Q2 is how much? 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 upon 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, it is how much? Into 9 into 10 raised to the power 9 upon R square. Now how much is R? 0.3 whole square. So now you need to solve this, that is 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 into 3, 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 into 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 into 9 into, so on solving, you can solve yourself. So answer is how much? Yes, you can solve. So finally you will get answer as how much? 6, yes, into 10 raised to the power minus 3 Newton. So what I have done is I have written all the given part, I have written all the formulas used, and then I have converted everything into SI units. That is, I have taken your Q1, Q2 in coulombs and R in meters. So finally I got force as 6 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 Newton. So hence force between the two small charge sphere is 6 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 Newton. That is the unit of force. Also, since you can see that Q1 and Q2 both are positive, so they will have a repulsive action between them. So the charges are of same nature, hence force between them will be repulsive. I hope it is clear. This was the easiest numerical of NCERT Physics Part A exercises of Unit 1, that is electric charges and field. So this way we will be solving all the numericals. Thank you very much. So what I am going to do is I am going to solve all the numericals of NCERT Physics Class 12, and for any details and any problem related to any of the numericals of Class 12, you can contact me at gaganbansal12345@gmail.com. So see you for the next question in the next class. Thank you very much.